Hello, my name is Tetsuhiro Ueno. I'm a licensed acupuncturist and owner of the Caring Acupuncture. Today I create this video for those who consider acupuncture for infertility but not sure about it.
First, according to CDC, the number of women aged 15 to 44 who have ever used infertility service is 7.3 million, that is 12% of population. On the other hand, same research said only 1.5% of adults received acupuncture treatment. Of course, we can't simply compare these numbers, but the point here is how less population has tried acupuncture. You may have been trying to conceive for 6 months or even more. All of the test results were negative, and you may be diagnosed as unexplained infertility. Even if your doctor cannot find out what prevents you from conceiving, from traditional Chinese medicine point of view, your acupuncturist tell you what kind of imbalance, weakness you may have. By improving these findings, we can improve your chance to conceive naturally. In case you got a diagnosis such as PCOS, uterine fibroid, endometriosis, or lower ovarian disease, it is possible that acupuncture and Chinese herbs can improve these conditions. The most important aspect of TCM is that we will find out what is the root cause of these conditions. Your acupuncturist will ask you lots of questions, check your pulse, look at your tongue, then explain to you why you have these conditions and how to improve them. So now you can understand acupuncture can improve your chance to conceive naturally. You may have decided to try ART, such as IUI and IVF. We often receive a phone call saying, I'd like to get acupuncture treatment because my transfer will be next week. Yes, acupuncture can improve success rate of IUI and IVF, but it could be better if you can start acupuncture treatment 2 to 3 months prior to the procedure, because acupuncture can help to improve your overall health and make your body to optimal condition before the procedure. Sometimes you may even cancel your procedure because you get pregnant. There are many researches regarding acupuncture and IUI, IVF. This research said acupuncture group has 65.5% of successful IUI compared to 39.4% of control group. And this research showed success rate of IVF and ongoing pregnancy are higher if you receive acupuncture on the day of embryo transfer. The reason why acupuncture is beneficial for ART is, the first, acupuncture can calm your mind. As you know, going through IUI, IVF is so stressful. On top of that, you need to take several hormones which make you more emotional. Acupuncture treatment just before these procedures can help that. Second, acupuncture can improve the blood flow in the uterus. In other words, acupuncture can create a better environment for sperms and embryo. To sum up, acupuncture treatment is very beneficial no matter if you try to conceive naturally or going through ART. At last but not least, you may not have tried acupuncture because you are afraid of needles. Don't worry, needles are very thin and fine, and they are totally different from needles you have experienced for blood tests or injection. And believe it or not, treatment is so relaxing. Some patient told me acupuncture treatment is like a mini vacation.
So if you try to conceive, try acupuncture. Thank you for watching.